ChatGPT has been around for a long time and is probably one of the most recognized AI tool on the internet. But now there is a new player in the game, Grok AI. Hi, I am Medhavi Bhargav, Assistant Professor of SAGE School of Engineering and Technology. What is Grok AI and how is it different from ChatGPT? Let's find out. OpenAI consistently delivers some of the most powerful AI models and you can access them through ChatGPT. Meanwhile, Grok's primary role is to provide a real-time chatbot experience inside the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. Unlike most AI chatbots, Grok takes directly into live posts and trending topics on Twitter. That means it can offer insights and opinions based on the real-time conversation, perfect for breaking news and fresh perspectives. Grok is also known for its bold personality. It's designed to be humorous, sarcastic, and a little disobedient. Grok reflects Elon Musk's vision of a rebellious AI that's not afraid to say what it thinks. This means the interaction feels less robotic and more human. In terms of capability, Grok handles a lot: coding, math, reasoning tasks, even creative writing. So, as we explore the world of AI with tools like ChatGPT and Grok, it's clear that these technologies are incredibly powerful. They help us learn, solve problems, and stay updated like never before. But at the same time, we need to use them wisely and responsibly. Both ChatGPT and Grok can sometimes provide incorrect or biased information. Grok, for example, pulls real-time data which can be influenced by public opinion or misinformation. And while they may sound confident or even witty and rebellious, they don't actually understand the meaning behind their words the way humans do. Remember, these AIs are tools, not replacement for human thinking or judgment. So stay curious, stay conscious, and keep learning smartly with AI. Thank you for watching.